Today, we're diving into an in-depth review of Eightcap, a prominent Forex and CFD broker, to see what they have in store for us in 2025. Established in 2009, Eightcap has built a solid reputation over the years. They offer access to over 800 trading instruments, including currency pairs, cryptocurrencies, indices, stocks, and commodities. This diverse range provides traders with ample opportunities to diversify their portfolios. Eightcap trading conditions: trading platform, MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView. Accounts: standard, raw, demo. Account currency: AUD, USD, GBP, EUR, NZD, CAD, and SGD. Replenishment: withdrawal, Visa, MasterCard, Poly, wire transfer, BPay, UnionPay, Skrill, Needler, PayPal, WorldPay, FasaPay, BTC, and ETH wallets. Minimum deposit: $100. Leverage: up to 1/500. Regulation is a critical factor when choosing a broker. Eightcap is regulated by top-tier authorities such as the Australian Securities and Investments Commission, ASIC, the Securities Commission of the Bahamas, SCB, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, CySEC, and the Financial Conduct Authority, FCA, in the UK. This multi-jurisdictional oversight ensures a secure and reliable trading environment. When it comes to trading platforms, Eightcap supports MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and TradingView. These platforms are renowned for their user-friendly interfaces and advanced analytical tools, catering to both novice and experienced traders. Advantages of trading with Eightcap: hundreds of the most popular CFDs are available, and the pool is constantly expanding. Eightcap provides one of the most profitable trading costs with really tight spreads. The company provides high-quality training, extensive analytics, and its own developments for automated trading. Disadvantages of Eightcap: no joint accounts, copy trading, referral program, or other options for passive income. Real Traders Reviews.
Their trade ideas feature helps identify opportunities with analyst recommendations and market analysis on instruments like BTC/USD and GBP/JPY. It provides a good starting point for beginners but lacks detailed reasoning behind predictions. Always conduct your own analysis instead of following blindly. I've been using Eightcap for years and find them highly professional. Their user-friendly app, top-notch customer service, low commissions, and fast deposits stand out. Withdrawals can be slow at times, but overall they've never disappointed me. A solid 5 stars, highly recommended. Eightcap offers smooth and quick withdrawals. However, account opening took a day and MT4 login details had to be requested separately. Despite this, it's great for EA trading with reasonable spreads.
In conclusion, Eightcap presents a robust offering for traders seeking a diverse range of instruments, competitive trading conditions, and advanced platform integrations. For more detailed reviews and insights, visit tradersunion.com. Happy trading!